Hello, I'm called Zaina Apori from Uganda, studying online programs at Brigham Young University, Idaho. My topic today is about nutrition. Nutrition is the process of providing food necessary for growth and development, while wellness is the act of providing or practicing health habits on a daily basis to obtain better physical and mental health outcomes. As we grow old, regular exercise and proper nutrition help prevent a variety of ailments like obesity and poor risk behavior. Eating healthy is a critical part of development or progression. Better nutrition reduces weight, strengthens bones and teeth. Better moods and energy levels so you can do it to maintain and improve memory and brain healthy. In my life, I do a lot of walking, most of my short distance, so I can remain fit and active all the time. I know you can also do the same. As you do it, you remain active even in the future. There will be no complication. So it is very important to do those little things like walking, exercising, road run, you can ride the bicycle. So all these help you to have a healthy body and a healthy mind. And when we talk about the food that help us gain health, like carrots, things to do with pineapples, all this help us to build our body's immunity and give us the opportunity to live longer. So we must involve ourselves in eating healthy food that are good for our lives. So nutrition is one of the ways that will help you stay in a life that you want. So nutrition give us that life that we dream of. And when we focus on the food, daily food that we eat, we can rely always on the food that we make at home. Make your own food. Don't always go for this restaurant food all the time. You want to eat from the restaurant. It's good to make your own food. You know how much ingredients you have put. So this help you not to get disease, like obesity. Those cancer is very common these days. But if we balance our food, we maintain our body weight, we don't get those kind of disease. And thanks for listening. If you want to know more about our program, you can visit www.linked.com.